Hello everyone, my name is Nathanael Dwitama. I am a mechanical engineering student currently studying at Institute of Technology 10 November, Surabaya. And then at this moment I will try to explain my studio assignment on the programming algorithm. So in here, as you can see here, I made a calculator, a bending moment calculator, so that it can help students analyze simple beam structure. So all you need to do to use this calculator is that just first you need to input the data in. So for instance here I got the length of the beam. You can insert like 20 meters, and then the first support, enter version 5 meter. Second support is 15, and then the force will be 10 newton. The location will be in the middle of the beam, and then that is the 10 meter. So after this you can calculate the how many newton the first and the second support give to balance the beam. So you can just click the calculate button, and then there the result. I also allow student to see what the bending moment diagram look like. So what you need to do is just click the bending moment diagram, and there is the bending moment diagram of the data that you just inserted. So that is the program, and then we can go to the programming. I will try to explain the programming based on my knowledge. So the first thing we need to do is just like normal Tkinter import, and then here you can see the Tkinter message box import to show info. So what this do is actually, you can see here, I give like show info error, please enter data. So this will give a small pop-up. For instance, if you doesn't meet their requirement, like D2 need to be smaller or equal than L. So here the D2 means the second support distance need to be smaller than the length of the beam. So if you input something bigger like 22, and then you click calculate, and then there, please re-enter the data. And then going next will be the root equal tk. This is the normal requirement to build a program or window. And then the geometry, and then the title, this is the background color. And then you can see here this is the label. I also add some font, add some sticky to the west, which means just justify it to the left. And then as you can see here, I made some spaces, some empty spaces, because the location I'm using grid. Therefore, if there's a row that empty, it will be skipped and not exist. And here, so like to make these empty spaces, I need to build these spaces, this empty label. The next thing is the data input. So this where you write your data, for instance like length, D1, D2, F, and the location of the force. After that, you can use what you enter data here, and then just adapt it into data inside the Python. So like this, like D1 equal D1 underscore E, your insert on the first support distance dot get. Then you can start the calculating process. Here it is the calculation for the first support, the second support, and then the result will be on the D underscore 1 on core label. So in here is the label. As you can see here, it will be located in the row 12, column 1. Very easy. And then to start the configure for the button, the calculate button, you can use the normal button, and then give the command and also before that, don't forget to define the comment. To that, for the diagram, I use matplotlib. So this is the normal requirement for the matplotlib. And then for the button, I need to first describe the comment, to define the comment right here, to start the calculation, and then to start making the diagram. And then this is the button bending moment diagram, as you can see here in the row 15 column 3. And then this is the extra. I give the clear button to help you clear the data that you inserted. Normal, just define the comment and then create the button. And also don't forget to make the last thing here, root.main loop. That is all from me. Thank you very much.